Tired of going out, scared of running into you. All of this where.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Huja, and today we are trying things from the TikTok shop so you don't have to. That's the new thing that I kind of want to do on my channel. I am a TikTok shop creator, so I get to try different samples, review them, and possibly earn commission from any links. And today we are actually going to be trying out the viral TikTok shop crisscross chair, the office chair, the beauty chair of all beauty chairs. Like, you can basically sit like crisscrossed in the chair, which is how they kind of got their names. I'm excited. I do earn commission links from them. I just want to throw that out there. It would be appreciated, you know. But yeah, I'm excited. So let's put this bad boy together, and I can honestly just show you the quality of the chair. The last chair that I kind of put together, I kind of have one that's similar, but this one I believe has wheels. So excited. I'm just putting on the last of the wheels. I did all of them already, but all right, we got wheels, people, and they just kind of pop in. Like, you don't need to like screw them in, do whatever. You just gotta leave them like that. We got wheels. And next step is to put in this bad boy. I don't know how. Put this little guy in there. That's it. You're supposed to have 2 people to do this, and I don't have 2 people. It's just me. We're supposed to put this guy on there. But I need to make sure that I don't put it on backwards, because I've actually done that before. Getting together like the back part. Oh gosh. You just have to align all of them together. You know what song has been stuck in my head too? BBL Drizzy. BBL Drizzy. Like, who made that? Like, was it Kendrick? Or did I miss something? Because that whole thing is literally wild. Because it's just me, I don't really know how else to put this together. Those directions are not clear. Boo the directions. Because these 2 aren't supposed to be screwed in until you screw in the base part. Oh my goodness. So I was supposed to put 2 screws on these 2 parts, but it didn't say. This is just freaking great. So now I have to undo these 2 to put here, but the directions literally tell you to put all 4 in. What the heck? This is why you don't follow directions, because whose smart idea was to do this? But at least it's just 2, and I don't have to completely take the whole chair apart. At least I did this part right. I wonder what you guys want to see next, because technically I have like clothing, gadgets, home supplies. I've gotten like a nut milk maker. I've gotten like a smoothie maker. Now that we've gotten that taken care of, the hardest freaking part. But I saw this girl use her feet, and I see where she was going with this. Okay. I'm just try to do it as easy as I can. Look at her, she's so cute. I actually did get lint all over this thing. I need to mop the floor, because what? Why do you have lint on you? But no, this is so cute. It's really similar to the one that I got from Amazon. So quality wise, I would say we're doing great. And I'm just gonna put it on top of the little swivel thing. Just put it in like that. When I tell you my back is on fire, 2 and 2 didn't tell me to like flip the chair over and just stab it in the back, you know? I'm over here trying to put it, y'all, that was a bad experience. Don't do what I just did. Clearly, this is not rehearsed. Yeah, you can cross your legs, chillax. Yeah, this is the vibe. And you can stop it from tilting to lock it into place. I got another TikTok chair. Difference is the TikTok chair is huge. Like, that thing is gigantic. It does have a bigger back, which is nice, but I like the color better on the Amazon one. I'm glad I could show you guys the difference, because honestly, I didn't know if there was gonna be a difference. Like, look at the quality. I think Amazon has better quality, but TikTok has it with size. This chair will be linked down below. I definitely, if size was a factor, I would go with the Joyfinity, the TikTok shop chair. But I guess aesthetic wise, I'd probably go with Amazon. I probably would. Thank you for joining me in building this TikTok crisscross chair. Get you a TikTok shop chair. Like, go get it. If you want to know if a product is worth it, yes, come to my page. Come on. We got the truth. Okay, if you guys want to learn more about being a TikTok shop creator, just let me know, because it is really easy and they just released new requirements. Like, it's a lot easier to get into the program. So just let me know if y'all want any details. If y'all want to be content creators too, you just have to make good content, honestly. And you could even put out bad content but still get product. I don't know what TikTok shop is considered, because it's basically just like Amazon, because technically Amazon could reach out to you and send you products as well. They just kind of ship it through Amazon. But like TikTok shop, they got it on lock when it comes to like organization. The only thing I will say is that like customer service is kind of hard when it comes to being a TikTok shop creator, because God forbid you lose a package, or you don't post something on time. Like, it's a hot mess, because you can like get strikes against your account and stuff like that. So like, it's really crazy. Thank you for watching. I'm definitely gonna be doing more of these for sure.